Step-families are actually the most prevalent modern-day family form that exists right now. Less than half of children in the US are living in first marriage two-parent households, and step-families account for 40% of all US married couples with children. If two exes refuse to talk to each other or confront each other in any kind of meaningful way, unfortunately, a child might be used as the information runner, right? So tell your mom that I need to trade weekends next week. Let me know what she says. If two parents aren't communicating with one another, specifically because they're exes, a child might, without the parents necessarily wanting them to be, might be put in the middle or feel caught between these two quarreling parents. So we need to be aware that the first 2 years of a step family are the most turbulent years that usually they experience. So family members in these first 2 years are still trying to fall into their roles. They're still trying to lower uncertainty, use communication cues to figure out what they should be or how they should act in regards to the next step family, to the new step family. And really 4 years are what family scholars argue are the make it or break it years for step families. So conflict's not inevitable, but how you manage conflict is a choice. So this is really important for step parents to keep in mind, that if there's conflict, if they perceive that there's some kind of issue at hand, that they address it and that they approach it instead of avoiding it or sweeping it under the rug.